front, kids. Front up and ate, hug yourself.
Alright, so this time you want to dance, kids? Okay, we will change our game, which we call stop dance. Okay, who knows the stop dance? If the music's playing, we will dance, okay, kids? Listen to ate, okay? If the music will play, you're gonna be dance. And if the music will stop, you all need to do is to stop also. Okay, kids, listen up. Okay, ako naman dari ka-hyper ba nila? Okay, kids. Okay, kids, listen up. Hi, kids. Hi. Alright, hi. Hi, kids. Ano, okay naman dari ka-tita. Alright, so kids, mag-dance ka ha? Okay. If the music will play, all you need to do is to dance, okay? And then if the music will stop, all you need to do is to stop, okay? Okay, gather na lang sila sa tungakanan ate para makita na ito kung saan nag-dance o mag-stop. Alright, kids, gather na lang sa front. All kids,